Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to waste your time and money. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. That's right, we're putting the TENSSENX GPS Drone up against the Gloral drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter. It's time to see which one will make you the next Spielberg of the skies or just another guy stuck in a tree. Let's get started. First up, let's talk cameras. Both of these bad boys come with 4K cameras. The TENSSENX sports a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable camera. Perfect for capturing that epic shot of your dog chasing its tail. Meanwhile, the Gloral offers a 110 degrees wide angle and the same 90 degrees adjustability, but with some fancy image stabilization tech. Reviewers say that the TENSSENX's camera quality is excellent and ideal for beginners, while the Gloral's image stabilization gives it an edge for more dynamic shots. So if you're planning on capturing your cat's next parkour attempt, Gloral might just give you the edge. But let's be real, unless you're planning on filming the next Planet Earth, both will do just fine. Winner? It's a tie, folks. Next, let's talk about how long these things can stay airborne. The TENSSENX boasts up to 52 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to film your entire neighborhood and maybe even catch your neighbor sunbathing. On the other hand, the Gloral gives you 46 minutes. Sure, it's 6 minutes less, but hey, that's probably 6 minutes you can spend not crashing into trees. Reviewers appreciate the extended battery life of the TENSSENX, calling it ideal for long shoots, while the Gloral's battery life is also praised but noted to be slightly shorter. Flight time winner, TENSSENX takes this round? Now, let's see how smart these drones are. The TENSSENX has GPS auto-return, follow me, and even takes selfies when you pose. Perfect for those accidental candid shots. The Gloral, however, brings out the big guns with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. And don't get me started on its obstacle avoidance feature. It's like it has a sixth sense. Reviewers love the intelligent features of both drones, but Gloral's obstacle avoidance stands out. Gloral wins this one. Sorry, TENSSENX. Better luck next time. Let's talk design. The TENSSENX is foldable, compact, and comes with a carrying case. Weighing under 250 grams, you won't have to deal with FAA registration. So you can keep your rebellious spirit alive. The Gloral, also foldable and lightweight, is perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. But FAA registration? More like FAA annoyance. Reviewers highlight the portability of both drones, but TENSSENX's no registration needed vibe edges it out. TENSSENX wins this one. Finally, let's talk about the almighty dollar. The TENSSENX comes in at $169, while the Gloral is $179. That's a $10 difference. Now, you can either save that $10 for a rainy day or spend it on a fancy coffee while you watch your drone fly. Reviewers find both drones to offer great value, but if you're on a budget, TENSSENX is your winner. If you want those extra features and can spare the extra cash, go for Gloral. Reviewers generally find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be an excellent choice for beginners, offering great value, ease of use, and impressive camera quality. On the other hand, the Gloral drone with 4K Camera RC Quadcopter is praised for its advanced features, stability, and overall performance, making it a fantastic investment for both amateurs and professionals. So there you have it, folks. Both the TENSSENX and the Gloral have their strengths and quirks. If you want longer flight time and save a few bucks, TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you crave those extra smart features and don't mind spending a bit more, Gloral is your new best friend. As always, choose what fits your needs best and fly smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you're picking up. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.